welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a Valentine's Day Glam makeup tutorial that I am so excited for you all to watch. So let's just go ahead and get right on into this video. Alrighty, first off, I'm going to take the shade Devoted from the Siennas palette from Profusion, and I'm just going to put that shade into my crease. Now taking the shade Bite, I'm just going to apply that to the outer half of my lid. Now on the inner half of my lid, I'm going to apply the shade Dizzy. Alrighty, I did go back into my crease with the shade Devoted, and I just wanted to use that shade just to deepen the crease up just a little bit more. So I did do that off of camera really quickly. So now I am just going to apply some mascara and curl my eyelashes. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is just the Covergirl Peacock Flare Mascara. I don't particularly like this mascara for day-to-day wear, but we are going to be applying false eyelashes here in a bit, so this mascara works good for days that you want to wear false lashes. Alrighty, next I'm going to apply a false eyelash to my eye, and then I'll be done. So now I'm going to use my bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty at Big Bangs, and I'm just going to be using the bronzer side to warm up my face with, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Now taking the Profusion Eye and Cheek palette, I'm going to use the blush in this palette in the shade Breathtaking, and I'm just going to be applying that using the Profusion blush brush. Again, using the Eye and Cheek palette from Profusion, I'm going to take the highlighter in the shade Heartfelt and apply it to the high points of my cheekbones using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So I'm just going to be using a little combo here of two different lipsticks for my lips today. First, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Mega Lash lipstick in the shade Bare It All. This is literally my favorite nude lipstick. I have used this in a ton of tutorials lately, and I'm really sorry about that, but that's just been a favorite of mine to go to recently. And then I'm just going to put over the top of that lipstick this e.l.f. lipstick that is in the shade Party in the Buff. This is a little bit too light on me, so I like to use this kind of like in the center just to brighten up a little bit of darker toned nude lipsticks a little bit. I think it looks really pretty, so that is just what I'm going to be doing. For this Valentine's Day Glam makeup tutorial, I really hope you all did enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching this, and I will see you all in my next one really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.